government of Meghalaya realized the urgent need of creating a good road network, as in this landlocked hilly state, the only mode of transportation is by road. There has been fast expansion of the department to take up the challenge of road network building, which is the most essential infrastructure for development and growth of the state and the people in general. Considerable achievement has since been made after the attainment of statehood. However, we are still far below the national average. Meghalaya has to strive harder to construct more roads and bridges so as to connect more villages. The upgradation of the existing roads and bridges with a view to properly utilize the existing assets of the state has become most essential in view of the increase in the commercial traffic. Efforts have been made to upgrade the existing roads by way of improvement, widening, strengthening, metaling and blacktopping, construction and reconstruction of bridges and culverts. The department is making all efforts to bring road network closer to the rural habitations in phased manners. The department is making all efforts to bring road network closer to the rural habitations in a phased manner. The main objective of the PWD department, therefore, is to formulate, plan, design, construct, operate and maintain public infrastructure efficiently and effectively in order to protect public safety and enhance the economic activities of rural and urban habitations. The department comprises of two wings, namely the PWD Roads and Bridges Division and the PWD Buildings Division. The recent landslide due to incessant rain that had occurred in between Domshken and Nongtmai villages near Balad on the 14th of August this year had caused a lot of inconvenience to the public, especially as far as the procurement of essential food items is concerned. For them to reach from one end of the road to the other, they would have no other way but to go over a hillock through a wooden makeshift bridge, thereby putting their lives at risk. During his visit to the site, the MLA of Mawsynram constituency, Hima M. Shangpliang, had inspected the damage caused by the calamity. This he had done in the presence of officials from the Public Works Department, Roads and Bridges Division, Government of Meghalaya, who also informed that it would take about 3 months' time for the reconstruction of the road to be completed and for heavy motor vehicles to be able to ply through the road again. While speaking to newspersons, Hima Shangpliang stated that the disruption in road communication in the area has not affected only the people of Mawsynram but of those of Ranikor as well. On the other hand, he expressed his gratitude to the contractor who, out of concern for the people of the area, had initiated repair works even without any initial sanction from the PWD department for the reconstruction of the damaged road.
Di nomor kata menta ka restoration ka badang ya ka jingpen kre jingpen sna ngilawan pe hidalade ngi sohon ngilong satisfied ya ka kompentre nakliang PWD but nganget hapo arsngi kamot kumbaong i kontraktor si sejan ngatrai la light ke surok ba kikalirit tangki kalirit kibala bakin ya namar ngindang khangswai ki kalibahe kadau kalong ba ya kani ka bahap ka tua hidang .com bakin China permanent te ya kani kalong ka ba shisha banwat ya ka funding te ngi hap shushania ba ya ka jing start jong secretary ba chief engineer pa kumno kinia thaulat ban penio ya ka sanction ya bandang ni ka surok te ngi ngin sayo ya kani kumangala ya tu ifi ba menchwa nadu menchwa ba kani ka surok ngalabu hapo kador bathauan bakade ke surok kabarim hadu katata na gi Port Assam te mene swaban wan seniru habang ye syong jingalang bat ki officer sapo IB PWD Mawsynram ngala perliu jingmut ngala discuss benia ba kinirap naka department banwat lat ba kumno bangin yo ban yo sanction khambun shu ke pisa ban penbha ban upgrade ya kane ke surok kabaki kot kamau plang Balad road kani kade ke surok ke balarim na Port Assam te namar kata ka jing senjor jong kani ke surok kade ha uslap bat hakajing rim jong ka surok ngidon kam ban strengthen ya kan ni surok ban pen klein chu ya surok.
Those who had accompanied the MLA of Mawsynram constituency were the Secretary of PWD, Shri T.G. Ningnong, the Chief Engineer PWD Roads, Shri L.D. Suchang, the SE PWD Roads Shillong Eastern Circle, Shri S. Kandia, the Executive Engineer PWD Roads Mawsynram Division, D.S. Basan, the Assistant Executive Engineer PWD Roads Dangar Subdivision, R. Nartiang, besides local residents of the area.